What's poppin' YouTube? JD here, back with yet another review for you guys, and in this video I got the latest colorway of the Yeezy 380, and that is the Yeezy 380 Mist. What up guys? Just want to say what's up to all my subscribers. I hope you guys are safe, hope you guys are healthy. Absolutely crazy times right now. I've been okay, you know, like I'm not really a guy who like goes out that much, so like I've been quarantining all this time and now everyone's doing it. Nah, I'm just playing, you know what, like this, like I really need a haircut, but this whole quarantine thing is just not working out. So your boy's gonna look a little bit rough for the next few videos, just bear with me. Let's get back to the shoe, the Yeezy 380 Mist. So this is only the second colorway to release publicly for the Yeezy 380 line, and that is really surprising to me. The last colorway we got was the Alien colorway, and that dropped all the way back in December. And I just assumed that Adidas was really going to push this model in the year 2020. Instead, we've just been continuing to get non-stop colorways of the 350 V2. We just got the Desert Sage, we just got the Cinder, and there hasn't been any 380s dropping this year. This has been the first one. There were a lot of rumors that a black pair would be dropping. However, it seems like those were just rumors. However, we should be getting this Blorf colorway. Now that is the worst name I've ever heard of any colorway, any sneaker period. And we're also gonna be seeing this sky blue colorway, both the sky blue and the Blorf. I can't say this name seriously. Both the sky blue and the Blorf will be dropping at some point in the spring and summer. I got these straight from the Adidas app, and major shout out to Adidas for the 1-day shipping, especially right now. Pretty much anything I've been ordering online is like delayed indefinitely, including some of the other brands like Nike. However, Adidas though, coming through with the 1-day shipping even in a time like this, props to you guys. Now you guys might have seen in my review of the 380 Alien. If you haven't, I will leave a link to it up here. I did say in that video that I absolutely love this new model, the Yeezy 380. It was long overdue to be honest, and I really like what they did with this update on the 350. Aesthetically, visually, I think this shoe looks absolutely sick. And they haven't missed on any of the colorways. The Alien colorway was really dope, and I actually really love this colorway as well. So this particular colorway, we have some hits of beige, we got hits of olive on the sneaker. It looks almost like a dark gray from certain angles. The laces, we got some tan laces here, and then as well as this plastic portion that you see on the lateral side of the shoe, that's also done in this tan colorway. As far as the materials, the entire upper of the shoe, once again done in that Adidas Prime Knit. And this Prime Knit is not as stretchy as the type of Prime Knit you would see on an Ultra Boost, for example. It is a bit stiff. And this portion right here, I wouldn't really call it a stripe. It's more of like a cutout in the shoe. This portion is made out of a plastic material. This sneaker also comes with gum bottoms, this time done in a dark brown, and I think that just goes really, really well with this colorway. Yeah, I mean, as far as the colorway goes, man, I love this colorway. It looks to me like a military shoe almost. Like I feel like an army uniform would look amazing in this sneaker. If you're a hype beast in the military, this is the perfect sneaker for you. And even if you're not in the military, I think that this colorway would look sick with a lot of different colors, like especially gray pants, also brown pants. I think that this sneaker would look really dope with them. And I have said this before, like Yeezy 350s and 380s, they typically look very good with slimmer fitting pants, which are not typically the pants I like to wear. You guys know I like the more baggier, wider fitting stuff. You can't really wear wide fitting pants with 350s and 380s. You definitely need like slimmer fitting pants to show off the silhouette. The 380, I think, just looks absolutely sick with sweatpants. Like rock this with some nice gray sweatpants or even some brown or like tan sweatpants. You can't miss with a colorway like this. Very quickly, if you've been enjoying this review so far, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out the channel. And of course, hit that sub button. I am dropping videos every single week, guys. Quarantine or not, I will be dropping the videos, so make sure you subscribe for more. So I haven't even got into the very best part about the 380s, and that is the comfort, man, especially in this heel portion. So this heel portion has a lot more boost in it than a regular 350 V2, and that to me was like the biggest difference between the 350 and the 380. So the comfort in this heel portion is really, really good. You really feel it on your heels. And I truly believe that the Adidas Yeezy 380 is probably the comfiest Yeezy on the market right now. I like it more so than even the 700s. The 700s to me, like they're not like, I wouldn't call them like the comfiest shoe because you can't really feel the boost too much. So for me, right now, I would even say that the 380 is probably the comfiest Yeezy model on the market right now. Sizing information. Now, if any of you guys have worn a Yeezy 350 before, I would suggest going with your exact same size in the 350s. For me, the 350s always fit a half size bigger, and the same goes with 380s. I would go a half size up from your normal size. So that means I would go a half size up from your Jordan 1 size, from your Air Max 1 size, your Air Max 90 size, pretty much any other sneaker, whatever your true size is, I would go a half size up from that. Let's talk about resale real quick. Now, I don't know if you guys have looked at prices of this sneaker, but if you have, you might have noticed that this sneaker was an absolute brick, which is not, to me, not that surprising, but I know a lot of you guys found that surprising, especially because this is only the second ever colorway of the 380 to release. Now, I just recently did a video talking about the future of reselling for the rest of 2020. I will leave a link to that up here. And in that video, I did mention that I do think pretty much any sneaker that's going to be releasing nowadays while we're in this recession, I do not expect resale to be good for them at all. And that's what I think has happened with the sneaker. I don't think it has anything to do with the sneaker itself. I just don't think that right now is a good time for sneakers. And for as long as we're in this recession, I really don't see prices going up on this sneaker. So to me, this is definitely not a hold. I would just get rid of this right here. If you cop this for resale, I would probably just return it at this point, because I do not think that it's worth your time and your money to invest in a pair like this right now, because we just don't know when this recession is going to end. If you're looking to buy this sneaker, I think if you wait a little bit, you might even be able to get this for under retail, maybe like 2 weeks from now. I mean, I'm just speculating at this point, but even so, like right now on StockX, the prices are so low for this, so you can't even go wrong just copping it right now. Regardless of the resale prices, nothing takes away from the fact that this is an absolutely sick sneaker, a dope colorway, man. Like, these are just my type of colors, man. Olive, brown, tan, really sick sneaker. And I love these gum bottoms as well. And of course, I already mentioned the comfort on these Unreal. So to me, this is a really dope sneaker. By the way, if you haven't done so already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. That is the easiest place to contact me. I respond to pretty much every single DM I get on there. And I also wanted to say thank you so much to you guys for all the love and support you guys have been giving me recently on the channel. It doesn't go unnoticed, and I really appreciate it, especially in a time like this when all you hear is like negativity, especially from the news. Like, it's really nice to see all the really nice comments from you guys, so I really appreciate it. Of course, the on-feet portion of the video coming up right now, as always. Until next time, guys, peace.